PHP echo and print statements. With PHP, there are two basic ways to get output, echo and print. In this tutorial we use echo or print in almost every example. So, this chapter contains a little more info about those two output statements. PHP echo and print statements. Echo and print are more or less the same. They are both used to output data to the screen. The differences are small. Echo has no return value, while print has a return value of 1, so it can be used in expressions. Echo can take multiple parameters, although such usage is rare, while print can take one argument. Echo is marginally faster than print. The PHP echo statement. The echo statement can be used with or without parentheses, echo or echo. Display text. The following example shows how to output text with the echo command. Notice that the text can contain HTML markup. Example. PHP. Echo H2 PHP is fun. Per R2. Echo hello world. BR. Echo I'm about to learn PHP. BR. Echo this string was made with multiple parameters. Below description link. Try it yourself in mobile or PC. Display variables. The following example shows how to output text and variables with the echo statement. Example. PHP. $txt1 equals learn PHP. $txt2 equals hey guys. $x equals 5. $y equals 4. Echo H2 $txt1 per R2. Echo study PHP at $txt2 br. Echo $x plus $i. Below description link. Try it yourself in mobile or PC. The PHP print statement. The print statement can be used with or without parentheses, print or print. Display text. The following example shows how to output text with the print command. Notice that the text can contain HTML markup. Example. PHP. Print H2 PHP is fun. Per R2. Print hello world. BR. Print I'm about to learn PHP. Below description link. Try it yourself in mobile or PC. Display variables. The following example shows how to output text and variables with the print statement. Example. PHP. $txt1 equals learn PHP. $txt2 equals hey guys. $x equals 5. $y equals 4. Print H2 $txt1 per R2. Print study PHP at $txt2 br. Print $x plus $i. Below description link. Try it yourself in mobile or PC. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, you can support me, subscribe my YouTube channel and share with friend.